In this video, we're going to learn how to draw a presentation drawing. So from the 3D sketches that we have in page 11, we will learn how to draw a presentation drawing like this with a rendered sketch and also with a context, which is a mobile phone, and also on a table. So this is a presentation drawing that we want to look at. So now that we have already page 11, the 3D sketch of the prototype, now we will take out page 12, the presentation drawing handout, and we will use it as an overlay and trace the mobile phone stand, and we need to give it some space for the mobile phone. So now we will just sketch lightly using light lines just to sketch the outline of the mobile phone. So take care not to sketch too hard, just enough so that we can see the form of the 3D phone stand. So once this is done, we can put away the underlay and give it a few more touches on the lines so that we can see a better form. Alright, just darken the lines a little bit as we go. Okay, straightening the lines, give it the thickness. So now that we have done this, it's time to sketch in the mobile phone. So you can see from our presentation drawing that the mobile phone will be something on this position. So let's say we have a mobile phone like this, but we're not going to sketch entirely the same view. We need to tilt the phone a little bit, so a little bit slanted. So now we will sketch the mobile phone. So sketching quickly, we will sketch the outline of the mobile phone. Okay, make sure that the mobile phone is in the right proportion and in the right position as well. So remember, we will use light lines to start off, then to visually check whether is it the correct proportion. So now you see I didn't get the right proportion in the first place, so now I'm going to extend it slightly taller so that it will look right. So now that I've extended slightly taller, it looks a bit more correct now. Now I'm going to sketch the screen. The side of the screen. Now the home button. And then notice that the mobile phone doesn't have a right angle, so we have to put in the rounded edge of the mobile phone. So don't worry about the lines that is not straight. We just try at best to straighten it first, and later we can straighten it with rulers. But why do we use ruler right now is because so that we can get a very quick sketch of the mobile phone in its right proportion and the correct perspective as well, correct view. So now we can touch on the mobile phone stand, darken the lines as we go. Okay, and as we darken the lines, we want to correct the lines if it's not straight or if it's slightly crooked. We want to make sure that every line that we touch, it needs to be corrected. Okay, so move away the phone. Now we can work on the phone stand. Darken the lines. And you can see that those angle that is too very hard right angle, we can now curve it slightly more. Okay, just to do a bit of curve on it so that it looks more real and more authentic. Okay, so now that we have gotten the lines, now we can use a ruler to straighten them. Remember that when we straighten them, we need to make sure that it's parallel. Okay, parallel to reference line. Okay, so that the angle, the view perspective will look correct. So whenever we sketch, the view has to be in the right perspective. So now that we have gotten our phones, then we can start to draw the table, sketch the table. So make sure that the line is also following the correct angle, okay, so that it is in the right perspective. Okay, so make sure that they are parallel to the correct slanted lines, and then there's a vertical line following the 90 degrees, just like the page in terms of the vertical. We can also add in some stationery by the side of the phone stand at the table to finish it off.